Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to uninstall fonts on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC is to simply come to the window environment, right click on it like so. So having make a right click, this is going to drop down, then come down to personalize. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to fonts. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply locate the actual font you want to uninstall. So I'm going to simply scroll down and look for the font, or better still, you can make use of search type section to search for the name of the font. So I'm going to simply come to the top right here, and I will just type the name of the font, Lemon Rand. So this font right here. So once you identify the font that you want to uninstall, simply click on the font and it load up like so. Next thing you need to do is simply click on uninstall, and you'll be asked uninstall this font family permanently. Simply click on uninstall, and in a few seconds the font will be automatically deleted from your PC. If I simply go back to my setting right here and I type in Lemon, so you see there is no result right here. So basically, this is how to uninstall font on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.